Hello everyone! Welcome back to another DIY jewelry making video. This is Laura and I'm super happy to be here making nice jewelry with you once again. Today, let's make 4 different lovely, easy and stunning necklaces suitable for beginners and for all people who own a small business. All of them can be made very fast, so you can make lots of them for you and your friends. I can't wait for you to watch the video and remember to let me know which one is your favorite in the comments down below. encuentres y recuerda que nos vemos el sábado que viene en un nuevo video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the notification sign and you'll be notified by YouTube every time I post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember to still beautiful, smile and be very happy.